the politics of Uganda, the way things have been done, you realize parties have been created, they do their concentration in Western Uganda, Central Uganda, and elsewhere. You realize that parties are being created, new programs, new projects come up, they leave out Northern Uganda in the root of the question. Do you think Northern Uganda's voice still matters at the table of Uganda's politics?
The voice of Northern Uganda matters as long as they can use us. They see us as raw materials, as good raw materials. They see us as good voters. We are good raw materials. So our voice can matter to that extent. And from this event, General Salim told me, I had a 4-hour discussion with him. He told me that we are Republicans. We saved Uganda, otherwise Bobby Wine had messed them up. They were very happy Acholi voted for them, and that's how President Museveni won. So you see, to that extent, we are good raw materials. We are not only good raw materials for forts, we are good raw materials for grazing people's cows. We are good raw materials for charcoal.
UPDF.
Yes, even for charcoal, because for them, their philosophy is where we have huge forests, the cows cannot graze, they'll be affected by ticks and insects. So if you cut the trees, in the name of charcoal, you're creating more grazing land for the cows.
But we being good raw material, that is a negative thing for us because there will be climate change and the rest.
Yes, so we need to...
Overstocking density of the cattle still also leads to climate change.
We need now to start thinking. That is why when people like Odonga comes up to say we need to unite and fight for Kara, they get one of our own to start fighting. Yeah, so you see, so for us now, we have realized there are so many distractors. There are those who are personally frustrated in their lives. There are those who are looking for jobs of RDCs, of being defeated this one. So
another promotion.
Another promotion.
They want to attack fellow
so
blood so that they can
that is a pity. And such people don't live for long. Yeah, we have an old proverb in Acholi where they say "Bola way or never body." In English, loosely translated that if you want to deceive people on both ends of the weighing scale, your day will come. So such people have not lived for long.